With NetWorker 8.1, EMC makes a big step forward in their backup recovery strategy. NetWorker in general is since 10 years at EMC. How long do you sell NetWorker?
My first contact with NetWorker goes back in the year 1996. And I immediately was very convinced of the NetWorker architecture. The architecture is very, very unique and very excellent. So it was clear that we at Orchestra have to sell it.
Virtualization is very important for EMC strategy at the moment. If you have a look at NetWorker, do you see something similar in that product?
If you look at the new NetWorker 8.1 and what have been developed for virtual environments is amazing. Especially if you look at VMware, there are many, many new features in it and also a change of paradigm how the VMware admin will approach the backup. And also Hyper-V from Microsoft is a big target for the new NetWorker 8.1.
That means that the EMC NetWorker is in line with the EMC strategy. Could you tell me more about the feature set?
If you look at the feature set which offers NetWorker 8.1, especially for VMware, it's a major change in how backup was done in the past. So it's completely new and there is a change of roles. That means the backup administrator is responsible for reporting, creating policies and serving the service levels agreements. And the VMware admin can stay in his GUI and do his job with his familiar environment.
This sounds like a great benefit for the customer. What do you see over these feature sets additional to that?
If you look at the additional features in NetWorker 8.1, there are a few more amazing new features. Let's talk about snapshot management, virtual synthetic, block-based backup, and the new integration in Oracle backup systems. So when you look at snapshot management, now the new NetWorker 8.1 is able to trigger snapshots in EMC storage systems like the VNX and the VMAX. If you go to the area of Windows, we are now able to do block-based backup, which improve backup performance amazingly, speeds up at least 10 times. If you go to virtual synthetics, so NetWorker 8.0 started with introduction of synthetic fulls, and this comes to a next step, which means the data domain in the background is doing the creation of the virtual full and not any other devices, so which is more performant. If you go in the area of applications, there is a huge improvement in the Oracle area, where now the Oracle admin is able to be in part in the workflow with the backup admin, and you make use of the file recovery area of Oracle for doing backup and recoveries.